Get all your devices ready. Measure and mark the center of the tile. Place the cover of the speaker and make sure the marked location is in the middle of the speaker cover. Mark the edges of the cover. Cut the tile with a sharp cutter along the line you have marked. It is fine if you go above or beyond the line. Smoothen the entire surface and try to make it as round as possible. Place the speaker in. Tighten the screws. Do not use a power drill. You may damage the tile. Use a screwdriver and tighten them up. Here is how the mechanism works in the back. Place the cover and push it in, and it should snap in place. This part is very important, and lots of people are skipping it. All ceiling speakers have a place for a hook. If the hook is too small, use a metal ring and hook the speaker to the roof or somewhere. A place that is strong enough to hold the speaker hanging. In case of a tile breakage or earthquake or any other accidents, the speaker is a bit heavy, and you really don't want it to fall off someone's head. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. And see you in the next video.